Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be day one of the moving vlog. I decided to start these now even though moving is very much up in the air at the moment. So basically I have sold this house but I am moving out. A little bit of a brief if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok maybe, that me and Sam are no longer together, so I'm moving out into another property. There's been delays. I've been putting off sort of doing some tidy up, clean up for the move because I just didn't know when it was going to happen, but I can't live in this mess any longer. So today I'm dedicating the day to at least getting on top of making it a tidy space again and possibly doing a little bit of deep cluttering of a few rooms. Then comes the kitchen. It's been a bit of a hectic week. I came back from the 80s weekend on Monday and it was madness, so I've been back to work since then. And yeah, so I did tidy up and put stuff in the dishwasher, but I need to empty it, and then I've got more stuff to go in and some recycling and stuff to get rid of. I've got washing to do as well. Yeah, and basically I want to tidy this mess up here. But I did pick this up because I thought it was nice and I've never seen it before. It is lime flavoured bleach, which I thought was really good. So I haven't smelt that yet, but I'm going to be using that in the toilets. So I did get 2 lots because we're going to be doing a hell of a lot of cleaning. So rule of thumb, guys, ninja knives are super sharp. I have had this knife block for quite a while now and I've never cut my finger, and you just have to be careful because I like to hand wash them as well. I don't like to put them in the dishwasher. I was literally scrubbing then the tray liner for the air fryer and I sliced my finger, and would it stop bleeding? I've now had to wear rubber gloves because whoopsie. Yeah, and I've got to say my sort of first aid kit is absolute rubbish, so I do need to invest in a new one, or I need to invest in a actual kit, because all I had was a couple of plasters. I had plasters but there was no way they were going to do this. Luckily I had some microporous tape and I had some cotton pads from upstairs for my face, but apart from that it was terrible. There was no like anti-wipes or anything, like antiseptic wipes or anything like that. It was really, really bad. So yeah, Amazon basket is gonna be, I'm gonna be getting some from Amazon today. So first aid kit is one. So guys, the kitchen is done. I've just got a few little bits of pots there. I'm just defrosting something. I need to just put that bottle away. But we are all tidy and yeah, everything is done. I've even done I've even cleaned my litter box, which is, you have to take that apart, which is done, and I'm just charging this hoover as well. So yeah, that's all done, and I've mopped the floor. Actually, I just need to put the hoover away. And yeah, all the island, Tilly's having a dinner. All the island is done and tidy. All the washing is done. Morning everyone, it is the next day. Everywhere is lovely and tidy in here, which is great. We did a really good job yesterday. Today I've got a big, honestly a massive planned day. So I'm a bit of a slow start. The cats woke me up really early and then I went back to sleep. So it's currently 10 to 11 right now and I'm still in my dressing gown. I need to go to the gym today. I need to go to a spin class today. I've got loads of video editing to do. We've got quite a lot. I need to go LD as well. So we're going to get a riddle on. But right now I'm going to get some food. So we're going to make some breakfast. I'm just going to make some simple eggs. I'm not going to go down poached egg route because I haven't got time. And yeah, then we're going to go and get ready for the gym. I still need to do my case for my Dubai trip as a contingency, just to put all the things that I'm going to need in there, which I'm just going to chuck in now for now. And what else we got to do? I've got some stuff for Vinted. Whether I'll get around to that or not, I don't know, but we'll see. Anyway, yeah, so breakfast time. Later in the afternoon now, so I've been to LD, done. Now the plan is, moving wise, is I don't know when I'm moving yet. It's been up in the air so much. If anybody's moved house and had it fall through and then back into another chain now, just a chain of two because I'm just buying my buyer's house. But honestly, solicitors, they literally annoy me so much because they waste so much time, and I get that they've got other cases and stuff like that, but this should have been quite a quick turnaround. Since the first one fell through, and I then decided, obviously contingency wise, I kind of had a feeling that something was going to go wrong. So I then put the feelers out to my buyer that I'd buy their house if it fell through, because it was originally a chain of 7. So I started that process about 2 months ago, and I thought I would be in now, and I'm going to Dubai at the end of October, last week of October, so it's not even, it's literally 4 weeks away. So I'll be flying 4 weeks today, and if the move's going to happen before then, great, but not leaving me a lot of time, going to cause me so much stress. And if it isn't going to happen before then, I need to find all my stuff, because my house has been packed for so long now, because obviously I mean, I was really optimistic when they sort of said, when we sold the house in March, yes it was March, I thought 8 weeks, I thought May, June at the latest, and then it was only like July, yeah, July time when we were actually fixing the first date, and then the first man pulled out. Now we're almost heading into October, so we're right at the end of, it is Sunday today by the way, I think it's the 28th, right at the end of October, right at the end of September, and now I've got 3 more weekends where I can move, and after that my buyer's away, she's in Dubai, and then there's a little bit of a crossover, and then I go to Dubai. So just real stressful, to be honest, and you just don't know whether you're coming or going. Half your stuff's been packed away. I don't know where my bikinis are. I did have a rummage around on Friday and tried to find some stuff, but I didn't find my bikinis. To be fair, I wasn't really looking for them because there's such a pile of boxes. Let me show you the extent of the mess. So you've seen my room at the moment. Sorry, I've got extra stuff going on, so I'm getting stuff to put in my case basically, and I've explained what my bags were. And then I've obviously got these hats that I got from Shein. There's my new suitcase, some other stuff that I got from Shein. So I'm going to put all these in the case, but not only that, Let me just see, I've got like, this is, that's Vinted, that's from the 80s weekend. I'm going to put that all on Vinted. And then in here we've just got bathroom stuff. So this was just mainly out of the main bathroom, but any sort of bathroom stuff is going in there. And then I did find some dresses to hang up, but this is the chaos, guys, of this one of the spare rooms. It is, I've been through so many boxes to try and I did find these things that I thought I could take, and I really needed these, to be fair. My hair has been suffering and I ran out of that, and anyway I had another one somewhere, so I picked that up as well. And I've got some shimmer for the holiday and some setting spray, because I literally thought, oh, I can pack these, I'm not going to need them for a couple of weeks, I'm moving in like 2 weeks. That was originally. And then let me just spin you around. And then, oh, sorry, turn this way. Oh, that's not the best either. Yeah, that's better. And then obviously I packed I packed lots of stuff, and now, yeah, just a mountain of boxes. And to be honest, these are like too deep, like there's two this way, and to be honest I haven't got down to them bottom ones there, because I need to, these are heavy, you know what I mean? I've got to literally move everything out of the way. There might be some bits in this suitcase. This one's broken, by the way. The zip, the lock on it's gone all kaput, so I'm just going to use this to store, like, you know, autumn winter clothes when I need to put them away, so I'll still keep that for storage. But I've been through most of these top boxes and tried to, like, open them. I've opened them and I've had to seal them all back up, but I haven't got to the ones right at the bottom at the back there, and that's probably where my bikinis are, which is really annoying. So I'm obviously not gonna look for them today. I might leave it till next weekend. I've dug out what I could find so far, which are some shorts, some ham. I don't even know where my clutch bag is. I've got like a black, it's a Mulberry, it's a fake one, clutch bag, but I use it all the time to go out with. It just goes with everything, so it's just a nice cute one. I don't know where it is. It's like, it's been packed somewhere, can't find it. Yeah, Tilly, the cats love it up there, by the way. They love to climb on the boxes. So yeah, so the plan is, right, so the plan is, let's go back in here, is to put everything that I can locate in the case, so that worst case scenario, I'm going to have everything together. So I'm going to just, my room's a little bit messy, to be fair. I'm going to plonk you down and then you can observe. This is my new case. If you like the case, by the way, and the luggage, it's from TikTok Shop. You can get it on Amazon as well. But I absolutely love it. Everything in there. There is a couple of pairs of trousers and a dress that I want to try. I did buy them, I forgot, to be honest, that them trousers might be too short, and there is this dress, you know, the one with the, oh, I probably shoved it in now. It'll probably be alright, to be fair. There's a dress with the starfish on the front. I just want to make sure that it fits okay. But yeah, I'm going to try these two pairs of trousers, because if not, I'll have to send these back. I've put everything in that I could possibly, you know, stuff that I've just been collecting around the house. Bikinis that I bought for the shoot, and shorts and like pyjamas that I've got from Shein. Sorry, the lighting's not that great there, is it? Yeah, so those, I put all that in. I put all the Shein purchases that I've bought, I put all that in. I put all the jewellery that I've bought in there. It's not all properly put in there because I have vacuum bag things, packing cubes, like vacuum packing cubes that I need to use. So I will be using those, which I'm going to put in the case. So I just want to keep everything together, so that I have everything. Now I'm undecided whether to take some extra hair for some bougie. These are like hair that's on like a string, for some like bougie sort of hairdo. We're having our makeup and hair done, but I don't know whether I want mine to look super thick because mine's feeling pretty thin at the moment. I think it's menopause, but hey ho. You know when you've got like everything everywhere and you can't think of what else? Tilly's looking at me. Pippies. Tilly! Tilly Pippies. Hi babies. She's the beautiful girl. She's looking out the window, aren't you? She's looking out the window. So I realised I didn't do an outro to this video, so I'm just ending it here. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the weekend with me. It's the beginning of the moving vlogs, and there is a lot more to come. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.